Today in our 2016 Acura MDX, we'll be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Yakima Roof Rack system. This is going to consist of part numbers Y00426. Those are going to be our Yakima JetStream Crossbars. Part number Y00146. Those are our baseline towers. And part numbers Y06150 and Y06105. Those will be our BaseClip fit kits for our Acura MDX. The Yakima Roof Rack system is a great solution for carrying your vehicle accessories on your vehicle's naked roof, whether those are bike racks, cargo baskets, or ski and snowboard carriers. The Yakima JetStream Crossbars are an aerodynamic crossbar that's going to help to reduce wind noise and drag. If we remove our end cap, you'll see our weather strip on the inside. This can easily be pushed down and used with channel-mounted accessories, so you don't have to worry about taking our weather strip out or cutting it down. Our Yakima baseline towers have the option to knock out this plastic portion here and insert the same key system lock cores. That's going to allow us to prevent theft and tampering. When we remove our cover, you can see all the pieces that we need to use. And we have an included tool that's going to help torque down all of our bolts. The Yakima Fit Kit is going to be made specifically for our vehicle, which will give it a nice secure fit. It's also going to have rubber on any portion that might touch our vehicle, which will help to prevent scratches or abrasions. These bars measure 60 inches long, and the entire system has a 165-pound weight capacity and a limited lifetime warranty. Now that we've gone over some features, we're going to show you how to get this installed. I've gone ahead and put together one half of our crossbar. We're going to show you how to put together the rest. But everything you see here on our table is what's included. We're going to have our two covers for our baseline towers. We've got our baseline tower here. We've got our fit kit. This is going to be the two clamps that we'll use. The pad that we use for our fit kit as well. Our end cap cover for our crossbar. Our adapters for our crossbar. Our included torque tool. And we've provided our own flat tape measure. To start off, we'll take our baseline tower. We're going to take the plastic portion of our adapter and we're going to secure that into the top of our tower. That will snap right in. You want to make sure you hear those clicks. That's when we know we have it secure. We'll next take the metal portion and we're going to place it right in the center. Holding it in place, we're going to flip our tower over. Inside you'll see two bolts. We're going to go for the one further back here. We'll take our included tool and start to tighten that down. We want to make sure that the metal portion is even with the two plastic pieces on the top. The last thing we do before we actually load up our tower is we're going to take our pad, making sure that our arrow faces out, and we're going to snap it onto our tower. Again, you'll hear those audible clicks. Now we've gone ahead and removed the weather strip on the underside of our crossbar. We want to remove this and we can cut it down and fit it in between our towers and on the outside edge between our towers and our crossbar end caps. That's going to help to reduce wind noise and drag and any kind of whistling sound that might happen. But for demonstration purposes today, we're not going to use that. To load our tower onto our crossbar, we're going to line up the bottom portion that we installed into our channel here at the bottom. Now you may need to loosen up that piece in the center just to slide our tower onto our crossbar. And we're going to set this at 42 3/8 inches. With that in place, we'll take our tool and tighten that down. Now we're ready to load this up onto our vehicle. We'll take our crossbar, we're going to set it on our roof. We'll just try and set it as evenly as possible. Now we'll take our crossbar end cap and place that on, and we can measure out our crossbar spread. We'll measure out our crossbar spread. It'll be from the center of our front tower to the center of our back. That's going to be 32 inches. We do want to make sure that we move our crossbar evenly on each side. With that in place, we'll open up our doors. We want to lift up the cover here. We're going to insert our clamp and make sure it attaches to our long bolt on the inside. We can start to tighten that down using our included tool, tightening up our bolt. You just want to make sure that that sits on our door jamb, and we'll do the same thing to the other side. Once we hear the click of our tool, we'll know we have enough torque behind our bolt. We're ready to close up our doors, close up the gray cover here, and place on our tower covers. We'll fit on our bottom hooks first and click it into place. Now we're ready to load up our accessories and hit the road. And that's going to be our completed look at the Yakima Roof Rack system for our 2016 Acura MDX.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.